Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. On today's variety spotlight, we're going to be talking about an old tomato variety called Thornburn's Terra. James Thorburn was a guy in New York City who owned a seed company, and this was first introduced in 1893. So this variety has some history. And check out the color. This has got to be the most beautifully colored tomato I've seen. Brownish, golden, orangish, just striking. And the inside is supposed to be equally beautiful, so we're going to cut it open and have a look. But first, let me show you the plant. Now, I'm very thankful that I have any tomatoes to show for this plant because, if you might remember, I made a fatal error on this tomato plant early when I was pruning. I was trying to pull off the little suckers, the side growth that grow on the side of the tomato plant, and I pulled off the main growing stem. So I literally chopped the head off of this plant. And I was afraid it wouldn't come back, but sure enough, one of the side growths took off, and that became the main stem. And sure enough, we got some beautifully colored tomatoes. Not a ton, but we got some, which I'm thankful for. Look at that color, just gorgeous. So the plant has done really well despite being partially decapitated in its youth. It is doing just fine, growing well, getting some tomatoes, and yeah, nothing much else to say about it. It's not huge, it's not a huge plant, but then again, it did not get its full growth potential, so I really don't know. It's my first year growing it. Definitely going to grow it again, and we'll give it a better shot next time. But there you go, there's the tomatoes really stand out against the green. Just a beautiful color. But I'm most excited to check out the inside and give it a taste. So let's go. So really neat color. It's definitely a reddish orange on the inside, but the seed gel is green. So you got a cool little array of colors there. Really nice. All right, let's have a little taste. Got a nice thick slice here. A little sea salt. Beautiful color again. Wow. Man, that's delicious. Juicy, sweet, real deep, rich taste. Tastes like a dark tomato. Nice little amount of citrus. Oh yeah, it's got a real good full flavor, you know, it's not mild. It's just like a nice strong tomato flavor. That's really good. That's probably one of the best fresh eating tomatoes I've had yet. Really nice. And that color is just an added bonus. That's a winner. Like I said, I'm gonna try it again next year. I think I can get it to produce more, get a bigger plant. Definitely a winner. I hear the seeds are kind of limited on these, so if you can find them, pick them up. It's a good tomato. I'm going to save seeds from my crop this year for future grow. All right, there you go, guys. Thornburn's Terra. Add it to your tomato rotation. Thank you again for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.